truck, yeah. Say truck, yeah. Say truck, yeah. Say truck, yeah.
Warning, the following video contains strong country themes, cowboy boots and hats as well. Country music, viewer discretion is advised. I'm gonna take you to a small town in Oregon. Made it back here in Sweet Home, Oregon. So excited to get this jamboree started, so let's just do it.
Here's to an awesome jamboree.
The Jamboree is a 3-day country music festival that brings up to 15,000 people. For me, this is my second year, and some people remember me.
What's up, Danny? How are you?
Yeah, I saw him on stage last year. It was crazy. Second thing I saw him was when I saw him on YouTube. And I subscribed to him.
Subscribe, dude. Listen to his accent. His accent.
Georgia.
He's from Georgia.
I volunteer here every year.
Dude, let me show you around. This is the main stage grounds. You buy a bunch of these tickets, which can be used to purchase the essentials. Well, okay, not just cold drinks, but some good food. Lots and lots of delicious food. And yeah, did I say delicious food? And then there's some other cool parts like temporary tattoos, the Oregon Jamboree merch. And let's venture out to the other side of the festival, across the bridge. We have another stage with awesome musicians, and I'll get back to this later. They have this artisan alley where they sell a lot of cool local products, which is always fun to come through and see what creative things they have selling each year. Also, they have games and drinks and more delicious food. And yeah, that's not even scratching the surface of what's here, but I'm running out of time because now it's time to open some mail. I got a package in the mail. Let's have a look. It's like mail time, except for I send it to myself because nobody knows any addresses. Insta360 Nano S. It's a little 360 camera for my phone. I might be able to do live streams with the 360, and that's gonna be awesome. Maybe I'll do live on Tuesday on my Here's Danny Black channel, which you can see. I'll put the link up there. Also, link is in the description, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, back to the country music stuff. But first, let me take you to an exclusive place for certain ticket holders and contest winners.
This is Crown Royal Room.
Is that going live right now, or is it recording?
We're live. We're live on a recording. What does that say? Shut up, Libby, you're fine.
Oh my gosh, we totally entertain here. We have many individuals that come in and they entertain all these lovely folks here. Please welcome Danny Black.
I actually got Rachel from Cloverdale to come sing with me.
In the house!
Cloverdale in the house. We got Cloverdale here. The YouTube channel. I'm gonna link their YouTube channel right here.
Nice, right here, right here.
They need help. No, it's up here. It's up here.
Oh, it's up here.
We need help.
In the corner.
It's right there.
It's true.
And actually, this band I met last year, they are super cool. So here's some cool shots of them performing. And for me, I got to perform on the other stage, and it was awesome. I'm all done. Look at it, it's like we have a band.
All done.
I meant to the hoops, by the way. I don't think that I got any of that on video. Or you set it down?
I didn't film it.
You didn't film it?
So good.
All right, we'll see them in Australia. They're gonna come visit us in Australia and do a big show. All right. So the main thing here is music. They have bands playing non-stop throughout the day, keeping you entertained. On the main stage, they have huge acts, and every year it's different. You don't have to be a country music fan to actually appreciate the music that they play here. Everyone puts on a great show, and the crowds are loving it. And when the sun goes down, the party is just beginning. 26th year of the festival. And there's some crazy traditions. And people that make this a yearly event. On my channel, I'm not here to sell you this festival. This is just something that I did and I wanted to share with you. And also show you some of Emma showing up backstage to other entertainers. So thank you to everyone at the Jamboree for having us out this year. And we hope to be back again next year because it's a great time. So the whole Jamboree's over. It's been fun. It's been good. Em?
See ya!
Is the vlog over?
No, it's never over.
It's never over. By the way,
What's gonna be at the end? Wait.
thanks for watching.
Welcome to the Crown Royal Lounge. I can't do this.
You don't say I. Just be mid-sentence.
I know. You can do it.
Danny, don't edit any of this out. Put this all in the video.
If you put this on,
The artists come in.
I'm so pissed at you.
Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe. If weekly videos aren't enough for you, check out my live stream channel. And here, check out this video from last year.